Our team at the Hobs Studio in Manchester were invited by Atkins' design engineering team to partner them in the tender for the survey and supervision of the restoration of Manchester Townhall, a very prestigious project. The local authority, Manchester City Council, were embarking upon a redevelopment and restoration of a Grade 1 listed internationally renowned building, and we were, as part of a team, requested by Atkins to lead upon the 3D laser scanning and architectural modelling of the building, the as-built, as part of a asset management requirement that the client had specified. As part of our approach, and one of the things that building information modelling is looking to achieve for the sector is collaborative working. And I think our team, expert team from Manchester, worked quite very closely with the other professionals, including conservation architects, M&E engineers, consultants. All manners of different disciplines were combining to tender for this project. Another big challenge for this project was that the client wished for the project to be conducted whilst the building was still operational. So you had upwards of 1,000 people working in that building, and one of the things that we had to do was work outside of office hours, and therefore having a local team, a very expert team working in twilight hours, upwards of, we spent probably 400 hours in the building capturing the data, over 1,400 scans. We conducted a pilot to ensure that the client was happy in the program that we were adopting and the processes that we were looking to implement. And working with a very high caliber technical team meant that we had to be absolutely sure in terms of our approach and how we were looking to integrate into a very, very prestigious project. We provided the Revit model, the architectural and structural elements were developed from the point cloud survey. We would have a number of complexities and some amazing architecture that we needed to capture accurately and define within this 3D model. And we did that with a very innovative approach to ensure that we were able to deliver on the right requirements, but also in time. The time was critical. The client had already specified a number of phases that would follow, and therefore it was imperative for us to deliver accurately but on time as well. And having an expert architecturally trained team within the studio to be able to develop a very, very complex architectural structural model was critical to us being able to deliver on that basis. As part of our handover of the project, we spent probably upwards of 3 to 4 weeks traversing the whole building with our point cloud and our Revit model, and ensuring that each room and the information within that room structurally and architecturally had been appropriately captured, to ensure that we validated the as-built model to give surety and confidence to the technical consultants that were proceeding and were progressing, that the data that we provided was accurate.